Hello friends, welcome to Prema's Veg Recipes. Today we are going to prepare sweet corn kebab, which is a healthy evening snack ideal for birthday parties. It is made from boiled sweet corn seeds and potatoes. Children will love to have this. Let us have a look at the ingredients required. Potatoes boiled and grated. Salt as per taste, cumin seeds powder, garam masala powder, 1/4 spoon turmeric powder and 1 spoon red chili powder, 1 cup of boiled sweet corn seeds, 2 onion finely chopped, little coriander leaves and grated ginger. We also require 2 spoon gram flour, 2 spoon breadcrumbs and 2 spoon rice flour. Let us see how to prepare it. Mix a jar, add boiled sweet corn seeds into it. Remember, you need to pulse it without adding water. Close the lid, pulse and blend 3 times. Open the lid and mix them with a spoon. Again pulse 2 times. You get a coarse paste of sweet corn. Transfer to a mixing bowl. Add grated potato into it. Mix them with a spoon. Add all the ingredients one by one. Add salt and mix them well. Now add 2 spoons of gram flour or besan, 2 spoons of rice flour and also add 2 spoons of breadcrumbs to it. It gives a proper binding to the dough. Mix them with your hand for proper dough. Dough is ready now. You apply oil onto your palm and roll them into any shape that you like. I am making bullet shape. You can also make cutlet shapes or heart shape as you like. You can make around 20 cutlets out of it. Heat oil in a frying pan. We have to deep fry the cutlets in it. Keep the flame high. Roll the cutlets in breadcrumbs and add one by one to hot oil. You can add 5 to 6 cutlets at a time. Once you finish adding 6 cutlets, keep the burner in medium flame. Deep fry for 1 minute. In between you need to turn them so that all the sides are evenly cooked. Cutlets turn brown. Now remove them from the hot oil. Repeat the process until you fry all the cutlets. Serve them hot with tomato sauce or green chutney. Enjoy your tea time with a spicy sweet corn kebab. Thank you.